Alright, this is my video for my stress strain fracture lab. We're going to be using these rings to test and see how much weight we can hang off the center of these sticks before they snap. So I have three different types of sticks. The first ones I'm going to be using are the long pointy stick. I also have a scale. I have another ring of a bigger size, and then I have this milk jug with a key ring on it to hang from the stick, and then I have pea gravel I'm going to be putting into the milk jug. So we're gonna set this up. And then I'm going to start adding gravel to the milk jug, and then we're going to weigh it once we fracture the stick. All right. Alright, so hopefully on the camera, I'm going to look over here, you can see that the stick's beginning to bend and pitch up on both ends, and the center's dipping down. That's a good sign that we're getting closer to the amount of weight we need to actually fracture the stick. We're going to add it a little bit slower. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and weigh this. Alright, so it says we got 2,920 grams. I'm going to write that down. 2,920 grams. Alright. Alright, now we're going to give it a try with the cotton swab. We're going to follow the same procedure. Alright. And this one seems like it might be a little flimsier, so I'm not going to add it quite as fast as I did the other one at the beginning. So this may take longer. Alright, looks like we're already starting to get some bend on there. Adding it nice and slow now. Alright, now we're going to weigh that. Alright, we got 1,149 grams. See. Okay, now we're going to try this little stick here, a little rectangular stick. See, softer material. Hopefully I didn't just bump that out of your focus. All right. Like that cotton swab got a lot less bend in it before snapping than the longer pointy stick did. So we're going to monitor this one. It feels like it might be a harder consistency, so less elasticity. So I'm expecting it to not bend as much before it fractures. Let's see, 1,534 grams. All right, now I'm going to switch rings here. Make sure that's still in your focus. All right, looks good. Do this back in here. All right, now we're gonna start off with the long pointy one again. We're gonna set it up on here. Now I'm expecting it to take less gravel because when you have the wider pointed connection, it's going to give it more leverage in the middle, pulling down, kind of like breaking a stick in your hands versus laying it on a log and stepping on it. You get a lot more leverage when you have more distance between the 2 points of support. Alright, just like before, it looks like we're getting some pretty good bend out of the long pointy stick. It seems like with every pebble that lands in there, it bends just a little bit more. And this one has can handle a lot of stress before it fractures in comparison to the others. And then just like before, this one's got a lot of bend in it. I'm going to keep adding slow. It seems like with every pebble I can notice a visible difference. I hope that you can see that. This one's actually, the center of this is dipping below the bar. It's so bendy. So both sides of it are pitching up, and the center is just gone way down below the center of the ring. It looks like, and there it goes. Alright, I'll weigh this. Alright, 1,685 grams. Yeah, so that took significantly less weight to break the stick with the bigger ring. And I imagine it's just like I expected with, due to leverage. Alright, now we're going to try our last cotton swab on here. It's not very long, so it's going to be just long enough to spread across here. And just like with the other stick, I imagine it's going to take a lot less weight. This one on the first run only took 1,149 grams. So a little more than a third of what the other one did. Alright, and just with that little amount of weight, you can already see the Q-tip has a pretty substantial bend for what the Q-tip will get. It's not quite as bendy as the other sticks, so I don't expect it to sink down as far before it ends up snapping. And we got 815 grams. So that's going to wrap it up for the video portion of the slab. Better write that down first. 815 grams. Alright, thanks for watching.